Fortunately, once we do have the daylight, I think we're going to be seeing a lot of damage that we don't want to see, but it's our reality with a Category 3 hurricane. That is how strong Milton was at landfall at Siesta Key. At 8:30 last night, maximum sustained winds of 120 miles per hour. Now, 5M advisory has winds of 85 miles per hour. It stayed as a hurricane, moving from the west coast to now just off the east coast of our state. And that's how much damage this system could have done and most likely did do. And again, once we do see daylight, we'll be able to really take advantage and survey all the damage from the west coast to the east coast across parts of the northern half of our state. So actually right now it looks as though the center is 10 miles northeast of Cape Canaveral, Florida, which is just pushing it right off the coast and moving it into the Atlantic. Category 1 hurricane now expected to stay as a Category 1 hurricane until we get into Friday and then become a remnant low. As for that, we did notice this morning, as of the 5M advisory, we are no longer under a tropical storm warning, but it's been replaced with a wind advisory. We're still expecting these winds to gust well into the 40s. We could definitely deal with a couple more of those outer bands from Milton, even though it is starting to push well away from us. Earlier, the outer bands had our winds gusting in the 30s across parts of Broward, right by Pompano Beach, into Fort Lauderdale, and now into Miami. Sunny Isles, a wind gust of 17 miles per hour, 22 mile per hour wind gust in Miami. As the rain does move out, the winds will stay with us all day long. My models do hit winds gusting well into the 40s, at least until the afternoon hours. I'm going to detail your forecast, the impacts we're going to have as we have a cold front, we'll call it a cool front, bringing us some relief from all this wild weather coming up.